Hey everyone, today I'm going to share my experience at the 22nd Annual Haute Dog Halloween Parade in Long Beach, California. This is a free event for viewers. If you do wish to enter your dog into the costume parade, it does cost $10 in advance. If you're purchasing it on the day of the event, it does cost $20. If you want to sit in chairs along the pathway of the parade, it does cost $5 per seat. This was personally my first time at a dog costume parade, and it was really exciting to kind of see all the different creative ideas and costumes that people put on their pet. Take a look at some of the costumes that went through the parade and let me know in the comment which one was your favorite.